Welcome back to 360 Finance Plus, where we break down the future of investing. What if I told you AI trading bots are making millions in the markets right now? If you're new here, we've covered AI investing before. Check out our last video on AI stocks and investing, so hit subscribe to stay ahead. Today, we're diving deep into AI trading bots, how they work, if they're worth it, and the shocking truth most gurus won't tell you. Let's go. AI trading bots are algorithms that buy, sell assets 24/7 faster and more emotionless than any human. But how? They use 1. Machine learning, adapting to patterns, like our video on AI predicting stocks. 2. Big data, processing news, social media, even weather. 3. Backtesting, simulating trades on historical data. But here's the catch. Not all bots are equal. Some are scams. Others? Goldman Sachs uses them. Let's break it down. Pros. 1. 24/7 trading. No sleep, no emotions. 2. Speed. Milliseconds matter in crypto or Forex. 3. Backtesting. Avoid repeating mistakes, like we showed in AI backtesting strategies. Cons. 1. Overfitting. Works in theory, fails in real markets. 2. Scams. Guaranteed profit bots, mostly fake. 3. Black swan events. Bots can crash during surprises, like COVID. After testing dozens, here are 3 types actually used by pros. 1. Quant Connect, for coders who want full control. 2. Trade Ideas, AI stock scanner. We reviewed this in AI for day trading. 3. Commas, crypto-focused with smart safety features. But remember, even the best bot needs human oversight. Here's the truth. AI bots aren't a passive income miracle. They're tools, like a supercharged calculator. If you're a beginner, focus on learning first. Watch our Investing 101 series. If you're advanced, bots can optimize your strategy, but never fall for set and forget hype. So, are AI trading bots the future? Yes, but only if you use them right. If you learned something today, subscribe to 360 Finance Plus. We drop weekly videos on AI finance, crypto, and wealth building. And hey, check out our last video on AI versus human hedge funds if you missed it. Thanks for watching, and remember, tech is powerful, but knowledge is king. See you in the next one.